When you need to update your colleagues on important information or make an announcement at your workplace, a business memo can be an ideal way to address a specific audience in a formal context. A memo is a document that is often created with a word processor and typically printed for distribution. The format is similar to email. It usually begins with a header section that lists recipients and other details. Let's take a closer look at what's included in the header. 2. Include each recipient's name and job title. For example, Miranda Lawson, Director of Marketing. If you're addressing a designated group, however, simply state the name of the group. For example, Accounting Department. From. Include your name and title. Date. Write out the complete date, month, day, and year. Subject. Make the subject brief and descriptive. Unlike emails or letters, most business memos skip the greeting, such as, "Dear Miss Lawson," and immediately go into the body text. Whenever you start a paragraph in a memo, always put the main point of the paragraph first. You can also use bullets or numbers to clearly present points or lists. This will make your writing direct and easy to follow. Memos generally don't include a farewell. It may be appropriate depending on your message or your company's style, but if you do include a farewell, make it brief. Remember that revision is vital for any quality document. Before you submit your memo to your audience, consider getting feedback from a colleague to ensure your message is effective and professional. Business memos are a powerful way to distribute information among your colleagues. As you practice and study, your memos will become more efficient and polished in no time.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.